All right, so today we're going to start with a different control structure. Last time we talked about um, branching control structures, and today we're going to get into looping control structures. The difference between the two is that branching control structures allow you to choose whether or not to execute certain parts of code. Looping control structures allow you to execute certain parts of your code multiple times. And really, those are the two major types of control structures. But if you combine them in a variety of different ways, you can accomplish almost any kind of program you can imagine. So they're really essential and used all the time. And you'll see as we move forward into the class that we're just going to be routinely using these control structures. So it is important that you sort of lock in with your understanding of these two pieces of control structures, because as we go deeper into the class, everything builds on these. So it is very, very important. As I start getting into the lecture, I want to make sure that you download this template file. And if you go to Module 5 in our Canvas shell and you hit Files and Sample Code and scroll down, I want you to download the guessing game starter.py file. Download that and open it in PyCharm. And at a point in the middle of the lecture, I'm going to have you code along with me as we use looping control structures to modify this code. So if you have that ready to go, then it will be much easier. So that's Module 5, and it's the guessing game starter code, and it looks like this. Okay, it's just that number guessing game, more or less, as we've developed it already in the class. But if you start with this, then you'll be working with the exact same code that I am. It'll be a little easier for you to follow along. So let's go ahead and get that all queued up and ready to go. And then when it's time, I'll let you know.